The features of the Striplox number 20 knock-in biscuit Griplox. This is made from high impact styrene, which is environmentally friendly. The slot size is a standard number 20 4mm slot from a biscuit cutter. The secret to this product is actually in the diamond cut lugs that are on the edges of this product that simply knock into place and very difficult to get back out. There is no requirement to glue these in. However, if you want to glue these in for extra strength, the beauty of this product is the glue will not sit on the surface as it does on a wooden biscuit and dries and expands the substrate. The glue will squeeze down through tiny little wee lines in the product here and sit inside the reservoirs. Once the glue is inside the reservoirs, it is attached to both sides of the substrate. The other big benefit of the Striplox Griplox number 20 biscuit is the fact that it is very, very strong for transportation. As you can see, we have knocked it into our substrate here. If we were to take this into our transportation, as you can see, the biscuit will stay intact. If we were to do that with a regular biscuit, we know what you'd be doing. This is why I believe the Striplox number 20 Griplox biscuit will save you time. Enjoy using the Striplox biscuit.